Ardos is a free system which allows you to control devices and appliances from anywhere. Using Ardos, you can create your own cards which other users logged into your system can use to control devices you decide to put on your cards. You can also decide which users can have access to which cards. Let's see a little bit how it works. Ardos is a system, basically two programs, one node server and another device server. This one, the node server, basically allows you to control which users can access your devices, and the device server serves the node server. Clients can access the devices through the node server, and only approved users are able to access approved devices. A client can come through a router through the internet only if he knows the password. He can go through a phone or a normal computer. The phone is a web browser, so suppose the phone gives a command to turn on the lamp. The command goes through his router or his provider, depending on if it's on 4G or normal internet or what. Goes from the internet into the Wi-Fi router. That's where the node server picks up the signal, the brown one here, and if this one is approved, he will send the command to the device, which will then execute the command and turn on the lamp. The device server, it's a 5 volts. You just plug 5 volts in here and an adapter, and these 5 volts you can access them here and put them onto the relay, and the ground goes here. It's a pin here called ground and pin here called Win or voltage. And the signal, whether the pin should be turned on or off, is here on a pin called D0. And if this one is high or has 3.3 volts on it, then there will be a connection here. And this connection allows electricity to run through to the lamp. So I'm going to show you just a simple example. Here I have a card which I programmed. It's not many lines, that's all. You save the card and run it, and when you click it, the lamp should turn on, as it does. It's not this is not the only thing the system can do. It can do many other things. It depends on your imagination and what you want to program here. And by adding 2 pins more, it's very easy to add appliances. You can do so. You can turn on a mixer, lamp, and a diode. Click, click. It's very easy to do this. And these were just a few lines of code, basically copy paste what I did before. I did these 2 pins and these 2 controls. I did this if line, these 2. These are unchanged, and basically copy paste here using more other pins and adding 2 diodes, 2 switches. These are deactivated in the beginning, and to have them a little bit bigger than usual, scale it up and scale it here. The switches, this is the diodes, and here we are registering what function to call when something connected to a pin is pressed. Then we want to run this function, and then this function is here. And here we are just adding the text below the button. As you can see, it works. Too much noise. And to look at a device pinout, you can see it here, when it was started, and the number of the pins, and the name of it on the board itself, or the little device. And this is how it is set up right now. This was a short introduction on what Ardos can do. Thank you.